Welcome to my channel. Finally, I decided to do some tutorials on how to paint like this using gouache. Before that, I wanted to show the materials that I used to create these paintings. And as I mentioned before that the medium I work with is gouache. I started to use gouache after inspired by an artist I found on Instagram. So after some research, I bought my first gouache paint. It has been around more than 1 year I am using this medium. This is my first gouache paint. It is an affordable one for me at that time because I was new to this medium and I don't know if it is work for me or not. So I didn't want to spend so much money to buy other expensive paint, and I started with this paint and I loved it. And recently I bought my new paint. Here it is. It is also very good paint and very smooth and easy to work with. I love both of them. I am not doing any comparison. I just want you to know that these are the paints that I am using. And material number 2 is paper. These are my recent mini paintings, and the paper I used for this paintings are from this book. And I bought it from a local store nearby. And the next one is my sketchbook, and I bought it recently from Amazon. The size of this sketchbook is A5. And the sketchbook is from this brand Enora, and it is very good, and the paper quality is very nice and easy to work with. Other materials are palette. These are the palettes that I am using, and I bought it from local store. Then brushes. These are the brush that I am using, and it has been 4 years. I am still using this brush. It is working good, and I bought it from online. For detailing, I use this thin bristle brush. Then I mostly use this flat brush of different sizes are there, and diagonally cut brush or angled brush, and the last one is masking tape. So these are the materials that I am using, and from now on I will share the detailed explanations of the paintings that I create. I think it will be useful for those who wish to paint. And if you like my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.